Hello, I'm Bernanke from interest.co.nz and welcome to 90 at 9. This is your morning briefing where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. Starting now with news, the US Federal Reserve has released its latest decision on monetary policy. The Federal Open Markets Committee says it will continue with its plan to buy $40 billion worth of bonds every month, a process called quantitative easing, and will keep interest rates near zero until mid-2015. It says the US economy is growing modestly, but unemployment remains elevated, and it will keep printing money and buying bonds to try and pull that unemployment rate down substantially. However, will US Federal Reserve Chairman Ben Bernanke still be around to see it through? Mitt Romney, the Republican candidate, says he won't reappoint Bernanke when his term expires at the beginning of 2014. And Bernanke himself says he may not go for a second term, regardless of who wins the election. Meanwhile, the United States is suing Bank of America for $1 billion, alleging that it passed on defective loans to the government mortgage providers, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac. The government alleges that Bank of America sold these dodgy loans through a program it called the Hustle. Meanwhile, Chinese factories contracted, but at a slower rate than expected, and that helped boost US stocks in early trade, although they're flat in late trade. And finally, the gold price dipped briefly below $1,700 an ounce overnight. This followed comments from the European Central Bank that its bond buying won't cause inflation and raise fears about deflation. And obviously, deflation is bad news for the gold price. I'm Bernard Hickey. That was 90 at 9 from interest.co.nz.